Wait, before you scroll, this tip works for Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, and even iPhone. Ever missed an important message because you didn't unlock your phone in time? Today, I'll show you how to turn on or customize lock screen notifications, so your calls, chats, reminders, and even app alerts appear right when you lift your phone. Even if you don't use a Galaxy S22 Ultra like me, don't scroll, because I'll show steps for your device too. Watch till the end to find your phone brand and get this super useful feature working today.
Some Galaxy devices. Here is how to enable or customize lock screen notifications. You go to settings and you go to lock screen and you tap. It's different for different galaxies. So you just have to go tap notifications. But on S22 Ultra, like this one, you go to notifications to show. You tap here and you toggle it on. You toggle it on here, like on off, right? And then can show you can either select to show icons only or details. All right, so to show you, and then you can further go to select which apps to show content, or which ones to, or you can just have it to hide content to only show the icons. Okay, this works for most Galaxy phones running One UI, like the S21, S20, Note series, and A series. For other Android phones, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, and so on, steps are mostly similar on Android 11 to 14. But for other Android phones like Tecno, Infinix, here's what to do. You go to settings and you tap the lock screen or notification and control center. You look for lock screen notification or show notification on lock screen and you toggle it on. And then you tap to customize how much information is shown. Example, you can hide content, show icons only. Note, on some phones like Infinix, it may be under display or apps and notifications. And now for iPhone users, here is how to set up lock screen notifications. You go to settings and you tap notifications. You scroll to the app you want, example messages or WhatsApp. You tap it and make sure allow notifications is on. Under alerts, make sure lock screen is checked. You can also choose banner style, show previews, and more. To change how notifications stack, go to settings, notification, display A's, and show stack, list, or count. And now you're all set. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who always misses alert, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, or follow me on Facebook for more tips like this, no matter what phone you use. Comment below. Comment below your phone model if you want me to show features for it in future videos.